Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to teach about the Flow Designer actions. Okay, so what are these actions? Why we use these actions? Okay, uh, when we use these actions? Okay, so let's see all these things. Okay, as a practical demo. Okay, or customer instance. Okay, let's open Flow Designer. Flow Designer. So before actions is nothing but you can, for example, in the last class, in the user creation. Okay, so whenever we want to write a globe logs, okay, these are the actions. Okay, whenever it is needed. Okay, whenever like for example, action is nothing but okay. These are service now code. These are the out of the box actions. Okay, so it's like ask for approval, create or update record, create record. Okay, create a task. Okay, delete record, log. Okay, so these all what these are called out of the box actions. Okay, these are on the remaining are called the spoke actions. Okay, like ITSM. Okay, these are ITSM spokes. Okay, ITSM spoke create incident or assign. Okay, create incident task on incident. Okay, so add comment or add work note. So all these are called ITSM actions, spokes actions. Okay, so. So till now we have see that flow logic and subflows we created and how we can add subflows. Okay, and now we will be going to actions. Okay, so so before creating some actions, what is the business need of creating actions? Okay, if we create one action, so the same action it should be used more than one flows. Okay, so then only you can create actions. Okay, custom actions. Okay, if it is only useful for one flow, then you no need to create action, so just do the same steps or something like that. Okay, or for example, if you want to write some scripts and trigger some rest, then you need an action. Okay, then you need an action. Okay, so let's see before before continuing to create an action, we need to document the process, like what kind of action we need to create or something like that. Okay, something like whenever something is triggered, like if I say something like if incident, okay, incident is um, incident is a major incident or a priority one. Okay, priority one, then a problem record. Okay, a problem record needs to create. Okay, need to create or something. Okay, need to create or something. Okay, a problem record needs to create. Okay, so so this is an like if incident is P1, then a problem record needs to create. Okay, so let's assume that we don't have an action that a problem to be create. Okay, so how we will create an action? For example, we will create a flow first of all. Okay, we will create a flow. Okay, called create incident update or something. Incident update. Mhm. Or okay, incident update. Okay, something. Okay, uh, whenever when incident is updated, do uh, do so on. Okay, whatever the condition it is. Okay, so that depends upon your requirement and system user. Okay, and submit it. Skip to. Okay, so what is our selection is updated. Okay, whenever the incident is created or updated. Okay, both. Which table it is? Incident. Okay, run trigger is once. okay, or for each unique key change, or for every update. Okay, for every update we will do it. Okay, okay, done. Done. Now our condition is flow logic. If um, priority is 1. Okay, priority is 1. Okay, then so how we will get the priority? By going to the data builds incident record, uh, uh, priority priority p, this one. Okay, priority is critical. Okay, priority is critical. Then you need an action. What action you need? It should create a problem. Okay, so let's create a new action, new custom action, or it should create something. Okay, some like, okay, so we will create some new action and define it. Okay, so else what it is, flow logic is else action is um, update record, which record you need to update, incident record. Okay, fields is like work notes. Okay, no problem is created or something. Okay, or we don't want anything. Okay, only if priority is 1, then okay. If priority is 2, um, then that's, we don't want anything to update it. Okay, let's remove the else condition also. Okay, priority 1. Okay, if priority is 1 and the condition is, and if the problem in the incident field, you have a problem called, right? Problem problem reference is not empty. Okay, is not empty. Then you need to create, if else, yeah, else, or if flow logic is else. Okay, else not else, it's like else if p1 and problem is exist, something like uh, condition record priority is 1 and problem is not empty. Okay, is not empty means then that is an there is a problem. Okay, there is a problem associated with this incident, and this condition is empty means there is no problem. Okay, so at this two case, what we need to do? Okay, if there is no problem, let's edit this one. Priority is one, and no problem record. Okay, no problem record. Okay, and this is with the problem is exist. So what we need to do here, we need to create a problem. Here we need to update a problem. Okay, here we need to update the problem. Okay, so here what the action is update record. Okay, update record. Which record you need to update? Okay, else if no, here we need to update a record table is problem. You have to select the problem here. Okay, table is problem. Okay, so then that particular record it will come. Okay, and then work notes should be copied from incident record additional comments. Okay, it's done. Is done. Okay, so here if there is no problem record, then we need to create a problem record. Okay, so now we will create some problem because the create problem record is not there. Let's assume. Okay, then what happens, we need to create some action. Okay, so to create action, let's save this record. Okay, that is recommended methods. Okay, that's the best practice to save the record whenever you edited or something, because due to some network issues or power loss or anything happened, okay, then your job, whatever you have created, the flow or subflow, everything will be gone. Okay, so let's create an action. So action is like create a problem. Okay, from flow or something we will create. Okay, global application is global, all application protection. If you have one, nothing. Okay, um let's see, do we have anything? Nothing, we don't have. Okay, let's leave it empty and submit it. Run as. Okay, and submit it. So the inputs, we need to have inputs. So what input? Create input. So, so to create a problem, you need to have an incident record. Okay, incident. You are creating the problem from incident record. So incident record. Okay, so it's a reference field. It's a reference field to incident table. To incident table. Yes, it's a mandate to assign the incident. Okay, the incident is mandated to assign. And here, after creating the inputs, then what you need to do, add a new step here. This is like what you are create or update record, create task, delete record, update multiple records, update record, wait for conditions. Or these are the actions. Okay, you can create some new custom JavaScript. You can create some new custom JavaScript also. Okay, so now what will happen, like for example, create record. Which record you want to create? A problem record you need to create. A problem record. Okay, so what are the fields you need to set? Set fields. Set fields like short description, title. Okay, so what fields we have in the problem records, a summary or something is there, right? Impact, okay, impact, category, description, priority, first reported by. So all these things, okay. So its category is nothing but incident record category we need to map. Okay. So incident record we have a category map category. Okay. So category. Okay. Incident record impact. So caller should goes to first reported by. Description. Okay. Priority, impact, where is impact, impact. Okay. And uh, so you have a related record or something. Okay. Related incidents. Okay. Just map the incident record. Record is not listed here. Okay. So maybe related incidents. So, okay. Let's save this one. Okay. So in the output variables, create output. Okay, create output. Yeah, problem is created. Okay, so problem record. Okay, prob. Okay, so it's an reference field to problem. Okay, which problem record? This problem record is created. Okay, it's a reference field. Okay, so it's a reference to the problem. Okay, create output. We created one output. Okay, so from here, if you come down, okay, stop if fails or something. Okay, stop the action and go to the error evaluation. Don't stop the action, go to the next step or something. Okay, so stop the action if okay. So then, and the next task is what we need to do is If there is any error evaluations, you can do error evaluations, add error evaluations or output. Okay. The problem output is a problem. We created the output variables, the problem record. We need to identify this problem record. Modifying this item will clear out any values associated with it or its parent array. Yes, confirm the change. Okay, so select the problem record. So this problem record, okay, this problem record, you should add it here. Okay, and save it, publish it. Okay, so you have created the out problem flow. Okay, create problem from flow. Let's go to incident update, and in the action here you need to add. Okay, from global application, search create a, what is this? Create a problem, right? So let's go here. It is published, right? It is published. Now refresh this one and let's see in the custom actions, search here, create problem from flow. Okay, global, under global, you got it. Okay, so create a problem from flow. So incident record is the incident record which it is created in the this one. That is the incident record. Okay, done. That is the incident record. Okay, so now what we will do is we will update the record. We will update the record. Which record? Incident record we will update. In the work notes, in the work notes, we will add the problem output. Okay, a problem number, right? Is created. Is created. Okay, so problem record number, go here. Okay, problem number is created. Done. Okay, let's save it and activate it. Okay, let's go to incident record. Create new. Test problem. Test problem. Inquiry or help. Category is able tutor. Okay, something channel is chart or whatever it is. Okay, priority is one. We need to add. Okay, priority is one and save it. Let's see the work notes is added. Will be adding or not. Let's see. Let's refresh the page. There is no problem record. Nothing. Nothing is executed. Or So our flow is incident created or updated, it should run. If no problem, then it should create a problem from flow and it should update the incident record, but it is not happening. It did not happen. So let's see then the flow executions. So anything is happening or not. Okay. So in the flow executions, so it is nothing. No flow is run. Okay. Let's see. Okay, incident update is run. Okay, let's open that one. Mm, Open flow. So process flow level. Let's set this property. This underscore properties dot list is off. We will say on. Okay. So let's open the context record and open the flow. Reporting it is off. Okay. So for now it is off. Okay. Um, let's restart this one. Set is off only. Okay, but what we will do is we will test the record. Okay, we will test the record. So with the new incident number is our 10101. Okay, so we will test the record. So where it get failed. Okay, so let's test this record. Run test. It doesn't execute it. Okay, so if the open current record is like uh, incident record created, why it is not executed, evaluated to false or evaluated to false, why it is evaluated to false, and it is also evaluated to false, why it is evaluated to false. Okay, so let's see why it is evaluated to false. Priority. So let's see in the execution details only. So why it is evaluated to false. Critical and a problem. Here the problem is not coming. Okay, so critical is coming. Okay, but the condition is different. Okay, something incident created is greater than problem or something is there. Okay, so the condition is not good. Okay, so let's see. Okay, the choice is critical and then choice is critical and save. Let's save this one. Test it. Run the test. So now it is evaluated and it's updated. So let's see the updated record. Okay, the problem is created automatically. Okay, so now the related records, we did not update this problem. Okay, so it will not work when we run again. So let's see the problem record. So almost everything is same. Okay, whatever it is created, we added the impact priority. Okay, so everything is same executed and a problem record is created. Okay, so now you see this action, you can this action. Okay, so this action create problem from now you can use in many workflows or subflows, many flows or subflows. Okay, so the difference why we are creating action instead of a subflow, or why we creating a flow subflow instead of an action, but because in the action you don't have any if logic. You can create multiple sequence of actions and all these things, but in the action is called only one thing, you will do it. But in the subflows you can do multiple actions, you can write multiple if condition, else if conditions, all these things. So that's the difference between the action and the subflows. Okay, so the some real scenarios are like this. Okay, to calculate the age of the incident, like resolved minus um, opened. Okay, opened date you need. Okay, you need the number of days. Okay, number of days. Okay, or age backlog incidents. Age backlog incident age. So you need to calculate this age, and then you need to send based on age. You need to um trigger notifications. Okay, something like that. Okay, something like that. Okay, some you have to create some actions for this one. Okay, within the flow you can create a new actions, or within the subflows you can create an actions and do it. Okay, so that's how you can create and flow I mean actions. Okay, so in the next section I will give one real time scenario, okay, where you can create a flow, why you are creating the flow, and how you are creating. So everything I will show in the detailed demo. Okay, detailed demo. Okay, yeah, thank you.